Welcome to the Thomas Cook Kids First web video series. We're on location at the Now Amber Resort in sunny Puerto Vallarta. One of the most modern and family-friendly locations in the world. The grounds are gorgeous and feature tons of activities for everyone in your family. Come on, let's go check it out. This is just one of the 327 suites at this resort. And the view of the Pacific Ocean and lush gardens are fantastic. Now that you're settled in, let's go see what the Now Amber Resort has for kids. This is the Explorers Club for kids, where you'll find tons of activities like beach adventures, face painting, arts and crafts, and tons of fun games. Or, if you are a little older, you can check out the Core Zone for sports, video games, and dancing. And what part of the resort does every member of the family enjoy? That's right, the pool. Now Amber has one of the best resort pools around, and your family will not be disappointed. Now that you've checked out the activities, let's go see what there is to eat at the Now Amber Resort. There are 9 restaurants to choose from, and each one has fun and healthy food choices just for kids. Thanks for checking out my Now Amber Resort adventure. Here's to your family having a vacation adventure real soon.